like and subscribe. Free crypto, bro.
Welcome to another video, my dear crypto legends. This time I will show you a new crypto faucet on the market called CoinDoog. A really good one, I have to say, with instant payments to FaucetPay. So guys, as always, I will leave a link in the description below, so feel free to join. And this is how the site looks like. First, let me start the video by saying that you will need to verify your account once you first register. So to do that, you just need to open their Telegram bot. Then you send this message start, and here you will have one code to copy. So they also have a tutorial on YouTube that you can check out here. Once you have verified your account, you can now start earning crypto on this crypto faucet. So guys, you have different earning options besides the faucet. So you can claim all of the FaucetPay cryptos except Bitcoin and that new FaucetPay lottery token. So those two cryptos are not available, but all the others are available. So besides the faucet, they also have shortlinks. Let's take a look at the shortlinks. So here's the shortlink list. You can take a look. I don't know. Okay, for some of these I know. Shrink me, this Cutty or Cutie, how I call it. Shrink, earn, CLK, FCLC. So I know how to do these shortlinks. I will actually do one of these. Let's do this Cutty, since it pays a little bit higher than these ones. So I will now show you how to complete this shortlink. So guys, first of all, you will need to disable your ad block, okay? Once you do that, now we need to click this continue. When we click this, we will get a pop-up ad. So we close this pop-up ad and click continue once more. On this screen we do the same thing. We click I am not a robot, we close the pop-up ad, and now we will need to now we will need to wait 8 seconds and close one more pop-up ad. We close another advertisement and we click go. So that's it, guys. The crypto gets sent instantly to our FaucetPay account. Next, after the shortlinks, we have the PTC ads. So great thing about this is that you can choose what crypto you want to receive for the PTC ads. So this is actually kind of a cool thing, okay? Anyways, you can see that there's a lot of advertisements here, 155. So let me show you how to complete one advertisement. Okay, so here's the timer in the middle of the screen. And we need to complete this CAPTCHA. That's it. We get the crypto instantly to our FaucetPay account. So I'm not sure if these are user ads or if this was a Bitco Tasks PTC offer wall, but anyways, there's a lot of crypto here available to earn. Okay, 154 ads here, so really nice, guys. And let's go to the faucets. The faucet is very easy to complete. You just need to do this simple double CAPTCHA, and that's it. So here it says 0.0002, but here it's 155 litoshes. So we will check out that later, showing you the payment proof, the exact amounts. But anyways, as you can see, you can claim every 10 seconds. And there's 1000 claims per day, okay? So really nice. Let's check out the USDT amount. So 15k USDT satoshis, okay? 15k USDT satoshis every 10 seconds. Those are nice amounts for these instant claims, okay? And I have also checked out the balance of this site. They have a big enough balance, so yeah, this is a quality site, okay? A quality site. It's actually well designed, so yeah, really nice one, guys, okay? Before I finish the video, before showing you the payment proof, just let me remind you that they also have a daily coupon code that they issue on their Telegram channel. As you can see, they already have 10,000 members, so a nice number. But I have checked out this daily coupon code. It was already it has expired, so I'm waiting now for the next coupon code to be issued so that I can use that one, okay? I also recommend you guys to do that also, okay? Join their Telegram channel and grab the daily coupon for additional crypto satoshis. You can choose what crypto you want to receive, so that's really nice. Lastly, guys, they also have daily achievements, so these are for Faucet claims, shortlinks and PTC ads. So they also give you the option of choosing what crypto you want to receive, so that's really cool. This is really well designed, in my opinion. And here's the payment proof, guys. So you can see, okay, for the Litecoin, the amount was the one that was written on the screen. So 155 Litoshis, 15k USDT, so this is a quite impressive amount for a 10-second cooldown faucet, so I believe that you guys will like this one a lot, okay? That's it for this one, guys. Don't forget to join CoinDoog through the link in the description below, and also don't forget to like and subscribe. I would appreciate that a lot. Thank you very much, and see you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.